Hi guys, welcome back to the Vortex Channel. Today we're checking out Dreamina by CapCut, a new all-in-one AI suite that lets you create insane deepfakes, AI avatars, viral promos, TikToks, and more with just a few clicks. Let's dive into details. All right, let's get to the details on how you can make a perfect deepfake or viral AI promo avatar. But first, what is Dreamina? It's CapCut's latest tool packed with features: image generator, video generator, AI avatar creator, lip sync, music generator, and even motion mimic, all online. Super fast. No learning curve. You just type or upload and boom, AI does the magic. Let's break it down. The image generator turns your text into epic artwork. The video generator builds full motion videos in seconds. Then there's the avatar tool. Drop in your voice or script and it makes a talking character. Lip sync makes avatars match your audio perfectly. Music generator, still in beta, but not bad. Motion mimic lets you animate a character by copying your moves. Think TikTok dances, but AI generated. What can you do with all this? YouTubers, TikTokers, game creators, meme lords, this is your playground. Deepfakes, animated shorts, visual storytelling, all done in minutes. For example, you can make a fake TikTok influencer using the image generator. Take a look, and I can even make her hold a brand of my new perfume collection. And now I can even animate her and make her speak and promote my new TikTok perfume. How cool is there? Here's the result.
New scent, bold vibe, unforgettable. Only on TikTok, your next obsession. Just for you. Order now, you deserve it.
Now let's compare Dreamina to the competition. First, here is Dreamina's AI avatar. Take a look.
You won't believe what I'm about to show you.
Not bad. Next one is from Caption's Mirage.
You won't believe what I'm about to show you.
Next one is Lemon Slice New Model.
You won't believe what I'm about to show you.
Next is the new Model 2 from Sync.
You won't believe what I am about to show you.
Next up is Hydra, very popular lip sync tool.
You won't believe what I am about to show you.
Finally, Kling AI lip sync.
You won't believe what I am about to show you.
So which one is the best? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. It helps a ton. I've got more epic AI tools and blockchain and tech breakdowns coming, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.